In this week's Torah portion, Parshat Ki Tisa, the materials are gathered, the instructions have been given, and all is ready for the building of the Mishkan, the portable tabernacle, that the Israelites will carry them with them through their wilderness wandering. So God says, gather these men, gather Bezalel and others, wise men, men of skill, men with craft, to instruct and to lead the design of and the building of the Mishkan. And then God says, in the heart of every wise person I have set wisdom, such that they should know and have the ability to bring forth the vision that God has shared with Moses. It's so interesting to me that the Torah says that the phrase, in the heart of every wise man I have set wisdom. For the implication is that the wisdom, the ability to take these raw materials and to craft them into the sacred and holy space resides within these people already. In the heart of the already wise, I have set wisdom, says God. In that case, it seems really that God is not giving them the wisdom that they don't have in order to bring forth this tabernacle, but that God is the enabling agent that allows the wisdom within them to come forward. So too, if we are to act in the image of God, we might want to ask ourselves, how over the course of this week have I enabled the wisdom, the compassion, the kindness, and the decency that resides within my neighbor? How have I enabled that to come forward? How have I enabled the best from my spouse, my child, my co-workers to come into this world? For enabling others to bring forth the best is also a very godly, sacred way of being in this world. And that, my friends, is your Torah in 2.